My name is Alejandra Lopez, and I'll be giving some learning tips on how to understand and know the 9 abdominopelvic regions as part of Anatomy and Physiology course. When I was an A&P student, something that always helped me out when studying was to relate the word of the region to something else that I could remember, like another word or a saying that is connected in some way. It could be what the word actually means, but I also like to mix it up and relate it to something that the word doesn't mean, but to what the word sounds like. I will be showing both. I will first go over the 3 middle regions. The one highest on the abdomen is epigastric. Epi means above, but if you don't know that, you can relate epi to the word epic. So when you think of epic, you think of the best, on top, above and beyond. So you will know that the region is on top. And gastric actually relates to stomach, but you can think gastric as the word gas and relate that to gas in your stomach when you burp. So you will know stomach is in that region. Moving down, we have umbilical, which you can relate to the umbilical cord that connects to a newborn baby connected to the belly button. So you know it will be in that middle area of the abdomen where your belly button is. Then hypogastric on the bottom. Hypo means below, but you can relate hypo actually sounding a little like the word low, so you know it's the lowest region. And gastric connecting back to stomach, so you know it's below the stomach. Then, moving on to the right and left regions. We have hypochondriac on top, which means below cartilage, as in your rib cartilage, but a more random way to think about it is by thinking of it unrelated to the meaning of the word and relating it to what it sounds like. Chondriac kind of sounds like condo, and I know condos are up on top in high buildings, so that's how I know it's the top region of the left and right regions in the abdomen. Then lumbar means lower back, so you can relate it that way in your lower back of your body. But another way to think of it is that lumbar, the word, sounds similar to limbs. So that's how I know it's a side region, because our limbs are sides of your body. So you know lumbar will be at the side regions of your abdomen. And also lumbar sounds like lumps, and the large intestine looks all lumpy. Therefore, I know the large intestine is in that region. Lastly, iliac, which comes from the word ilium, that is our hip bone, being one of our pelvis bones, so you know it's the lowest region at our pelvis where the hips are. But another way to think about it is the word iliac has the word ill in it, and when you are ill, you need support, and your hips support your body when you walk. Therefore, iliac is at our hip, the support when you're ill. And this is just a saying I came up with that you can think about to locate the iliac region. It's not what it actually means. It's just a way to help you. You can also do a mnemonic that I learned, which is starting from the top corner region at hypochondriac, moving down to the bottom, and then back up to the epigastric, and then back down to hypogastric, which is Harry loves Isabella every unceasing hour. So starting from the top corner, hypochondriac, H, which is Harry, loves is L, lumbar, Isabella is I, iliac, every is E, epigastric, unceasing is U, umbilical, and H is our hypogastric. And you know that your left and right regions will be the same name, just right and left, and different organs or different parts of organs in them. If words doesn't do the trick for you, then you can draw the 9 regions with their organs to visualize it better. This will help you know where the organs are in the regions and picture it better. You don't have to be a good drawer as long as you know what you're drawing. And don't forget about right and left. Your right will always be opposite to the body you're looking at. Or you can think about, if you were the body, what would be your right and your left side? I hope this helps when learning the 9 abdominopelvic regions. Thanks for watching.